flowers into beautiful trees. So yes, through this drama we have witnessed the work and sacrifices in which our dear teachers have done.
Ka Office jong ka District School Education Officer Bhoi District, haringkat ka Sub-Divisional School Education Officer Nongpo, kalayo ka Teachers Day ka Bahanriu Puar, lingba ka program ka ba Ipu Iping, bat ka bala pensyong kun bah Parish Hall ha Nongpo. Ha ka ni ka sngi layo ru bansami ki Khusnam Best Teachers Award, ha ka ba ha ka secondary level, layo da upadam Chetri jong ka Nehru Memorial Higher Secondary School, ha ka Upper Primary School, layo da ka Balongsha Rempei, jong ka Menken UP School Bhoi Rembong, bat ka Lower Primary School pat layo da ka June Mary Sun jong ka Umsing Government LP School. Ha ka ni ka sngi lapen ko burom ru ya ki kena school ki bala pas bha ka SSLC bat HSSLC examination bala penyat da ka Meghalaya Board of School Education. Ha ka ni ka jing Rakhe lawan Shimbenta da uba Meral Bonds im MLA Nongpo constituency Kumukong San. Ha ka jing don rengkat uba Eric Kelvin Khar uba Deiru Ubidio ka Umling Senardi Block ka Kong Paidalin El Nonglaj District School Education Officer Bhoi nalor ki wede. Kinong kren ha kanai ka sngi ki lapen pau ya ka jing ai khublei, syabaro ki Nonghikai, ki blano senyang sya ka imlang ka salang, da ka balen lade, ban ai jing hikai bat jing nang jing start sya ki kena pule. Uba meral ulaong, ka jing mi ki riu start ki riu syampang, ka deiling ba ka jing trei shitom jong ki Nonghikai, na kaliang uba meral ula kenturu ya ki kena pule, ban burom mi ki Nonghikai man la ka sngi, om tang ha ka sngi ban Rakhe ka Teachers Day.
Towards the society. Thank you so much for that. As a legislator, we understand the difficulties that the teachers' fraternity are going through in our state. Multiple issues are there. We have one of the complicated educational system in our state. That's the fact. Compared to other states or compared to other countries. Teachers at different level, be it a full-fledged government, be it on deficit pattern, be it on ad hoc pattern, be it under SSA, be it under fully private, multiple challenges are there where teachers most of the time they have to run from pillar to post for the rights, for many issues that is still pending for the administration to address. We understand the fact, even though you didn't sit idle, but you try your level best. I must confess, I must place on record my sincere thanks and gratitude to all. Despite, as I have said in my opening remarks, despite of all these challenges which are there within the system, irregular payment of salary, maybe other facility that the teachers deserve to get, they are not getting, unequal pay. These are issues that they are going through. But on this particular day,
who fill us with the enlightenment, with the knowledge, and with basic life ideas and ideals and principles that you have instilled upon each one of us. Teachers, in more ways than one, are the unsung heroes of our society. They play a pivotal role in nurturing the minds of not only the next generation but also of the current generation. And they help in imparting knowledge, instilling ideas, values, and helping us discover that flame which is within us. On this Teachers' Day, let us reflect upon the invaluable contributions that teachers have made to our lives and also to society as a whole. They not only provide us with education, but also teach us life skills, values, and ethics that help us be and become rounded, reasonable, well thought of human beings. As we celebrate this day, it is important to remember that, as you may know, teaching is not just a profession, it is a calling. It takes patience, dedication, and a genuine love for learning to be an effective teacher. They don't just impart information, they inspire, motivate, and ignite the flames of curiosity in their students. They create an environment where students can explore their interests, ask questions, and also dream big. Today I stand here as a former teacher myself. I used to enjoy reading, I used to enjoy teaching, I used to enjoy the intensity and the energy that the students profess when you're doing well in your classroom. So as a fellow academician and as a former teacher myself, I would like to take this opportunity to just highlight upon the hard work that you've done, and I think for all the dedication that you carry on, for all the hard work, for all the time that you invest into your students, I think you deserve, each one of you teachers deserve a very, very big round of applause. So I take this opportunity to tell you to please clap for yourselves and give yourselves a very big hand. So again, I would just like to express my deepest gratitude to our teachers, and also thank you for your unwavering commitment and also for having belief in us, because what we are today, if I may be a little personal, what I am today, the heights that I've achieved, and also the steps that I'm taking consistently every day, is because there is a constant reminder that through the humility of teachers, you always remember that life every day is a process, and the journey is something that you should enjoy, and the journey is something that is carried forward on and is led by our teachers. And in conclusion, as we celebrate today, your day, Teachers' Day, let us remember that what you are doing is a noble mission. You are guided, you are put on this earth for a purpose by the Lord Almighty Himself, to impart upon the younger ones and also the older ones and the living that we have a purpose in life, and you are there to guide us. So with these few words, I would like to say that I wish that your light shines brighter, so that